Are you ready? Because big changes are coming in 2025 to the HVAC industry. And if you're not ready for them, you could be left out in the heat. Hey folks, my name is Steve West, owner of Premier HVAC Mechanical Corporation, the SuperCOOLGuys, and we service the Peachtree Corners and surrounding areas in Georgia. You know, for the last 15 to 20 years, R-410A has been the go-to refrigerant in your air conditioner at your home. As of January 1st of this year, 2025, it has been phased out. Why do you say? Because it has a high global warming potential, and they have determined that it's not the friendliest to our environment. These new A2L refrigerants, R-32 and 454B, are mildly flammable. This means that proper handling and training are crucial. You need a certified technician that knows their stuff, and a proper installation has never been more important than today. That's where we come in. Your SuperCOOLGuys at Premier HVAC Mechanical Corporation are trained and certified in handling of the new A2L refrigerants. And we are committed to keeping your home comfortable and safe while we do our part for the environment. Don't wait till the last minute. Contact us today to learn more about the 2025 refrigerant changes and how we may help you stay cool. Because let's face it, nobody likes to be left out in the heat. Contact us today to schedule your free, no obligation consultation for your HVAC replacement at 770-696-4189 or our website at supercoolguys.com. And remember, we're not super cool until you are.